Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about antibiotics. Then what are the bacteriostatic antibiotics, bactericidal antibiotics and broad spectrum and narrow spectrum antibiotics. Let's see one by one. First of all, what are the antibiotics? Antibiotics is a chemical substance produced by microorganisms to kill or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. For example, penicillin. Penicillin is an antibiotic produced by Penicillium notatum to kill Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Penicillium notatum is a type of fungus which is responsible to produce penicillin antibiotics. These penicillin antibiotics effective against Streptococcus and Staphylococcus bacteria. Antibiotics can be divided into two groups on the basis of their effect on microbial cell through two main mechanisms, which are either bactericidal antibiotics or bacteriostatic antibiotics. Bactericidal antibiotics. Bactericidal antibiotics are those antibiotics which is able to kill microorganisms. For example, vancomycin and penicillin. These are the examples of bactericidal antibiotics. Then bacteriostatic antibiotics. Bacteriostatic antibiotics are those antibiotics which is able to inhibit the growth of microorganism. Inhibit it means it can only able to stop the growth of microorganism. For example, tetracycline and macrolides are the example of bacteriostatic antibiotics. These antibiotics further divided into two groups such as broad spectrum antibiotics and narrow spectrum antibiotics. Broad spectrum antibiotics. Some antibiotics are useful against wide variety of bacteria. They are called broad spectrum antibiotics. For example, ampicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline. Then narrow spectrum antibiotics. Narrow spectrum antibiotics are used against only limited pathogen. It means narrow spectrum antibiotics target few type of bacteria as compared to broad spectrum antibiotics. For example, penicillin, gentamicin and erythromycin. These are the examples of narrow spectrum antibiotics.